later.
What do you want to say, honey?
Yeah, thank you, baby. Great Father's Day. Thank you for the halo halo. It was yummy and amazing.
Good morning! So today is Father's Day, right? Happy Father's Day sa lahat po ng mga tatay at sa lahat ng mga nanay na tumatayong tatay sa kanilang mga anak. Happy Father's Day po. So today, simple lang po yung iluluto natin para sa Father's Day. Actually, hindi halos lulutuin. Gagawin lang natin siya kasi ito yung request ng aking mahal na asawa, na ang tatay ng aking mga anak, ang halo-halo. Filipino style halo-halo. Well, may iba bang halo-halo maliban sa Filipino style? I don't know. Pero I wanna show you. Ito yung card na nakuha ko. Sana magustuhan niya. Okay, here's green. And then when you open it, it's trophy, right? Yeah, so sana magustuhan niya to. Gusto ko sana siya i-prank today, pero masama kasing pakiramdam niya eh. Kaya bukas na lang yung prank pag feeling better na siya. So, sulatan natin yung card. And then after this, gawa na tayo ng ating halo-halo. Okay, so palabas na siya. Natapos ko ng sulatan to. Hintayin natin siya dito sa bed. Ilalagay ko yung camera muna dito, ha.
Okay. Oh, nice.
This is not for you.
Oh, okay.
Here, near me. How do you know it's for you? Sige na nga. Nakuha mo na lahat ng gift mo, so card na lang. Yeah, sinil ko yun na walang pwede makapagbukas kahit ikaw.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Trophy.
Very nice.
Why are you laughing? You
It's
don't
very
like
nice.
it?
It's very nice. I like it.
Ang plastic na.
Nagulat lang ako na may pop.
Oh. You don't like it.
Of course, I love it.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Ma.
Did you read all the message? Did you
Yes, I did.
scan it? O sige, what's the first sentence about? And the second, and the third, and the fourth, and the fifth, and the sixth, and the...
Ready?
Yun na yun? Ay. Happy Father's Day.
What? Father's Day to you?
Father's Day to me too?
Yes.
Oh my God! So nang ikaw yung nanganak!
No, you help me become a better dad. Well, to become a dad in general.
You know why it's a trophy thing? Why I chose trophy?
Why?
Kasi sa akin, ikaw yung binigay ni God bilang trophy. So, trophy ko, dala-dala ko everyday.
It's very nice.
Okay, so let's make some halo-halo as you requested. Wait, did it make ice? Let's make some halo-halo.
Okay. Yeah.
Why are you okay?
Okay.
Uli yan! Sa camera.
Sabi?
Di ba salita ako pag naka-on yung camera?
May tono. May ibang tono.
May ibang tono? Anong tono?
Kailangan, welcoming sa
Welcoming?
sa viewer. Parang may kausap ka.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't notice it. Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So the first time that you went out of the bathroom, you already know that my camera is on?
No.
No? So just now?
Yeah.
When I mentioned about the food, because that's how I talk about the food
Yes.
when I'm cooking.
Let's make halo-halo.
Let's make some ganito, ganyan.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be making halo-halo today. Pero syempre part ng halo-halo na yun, kailangan natin gumawa ng ube, leche flan, and things. And I will show that to you in a jiff. But are you happy?
Siyempre naman.
Huh? Are you
Of
happy?
course.
Hmm?
Oh yeah.
How happy?
Very happy.
By playing that old Game Boy?
I'm a very spoiled husband. Well, this is my wife's gift to me, so.
That's not my gift. You ordered that by yourself. You just tell me, oh, babe, I ordered this.
No.
You didn't ask permissions anyway.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. You just said, oh, I already bought this, that. You know how many Game Boy he has? I'll show it later. By the way, he is on his PhD now. I love you, Daddy.
I love you. Thank you.
Thank you. Kiss me. So, alright, andito tayo. Gagawa na tayo ng halo-halo kasi ito yung request ng hubby ko for Father's Day. So, eto, kumuha ko ng regalo ko sa kanya, ice crusher. Madali lang yan. So, ilalagay lang natin yung ice dyan. See, naka-on na siya. And then, mga madalian na lang. So, meron tayong ube ice cream. Oh, ate, can you get the, Leche Flan sa ref? So, meron tayong isang bottle ng langka dito. And then, eto, halo-halo na yung mga beans niya. And of course, saging. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko kasi sa halo-halo. And then, nakabili rin ako ng ube. So, wala na masyadong lutuan. Maliban sa, syempre, ang specialty ko na meron dito isang ating Leche Flan. Sinunog ko ng konti yung asukal niya talaga sa ilalim para medyo darker siya. Alright. So, let's start. Let's do this.
It's lighting.
Put some ice.
The ice melt.
There. Faster then. We'll crush it na. Okay. I think it's full. Let's try this.
Ate, come my baby want
Sakay
to
sa sink.
help?
Kung gusto mo sa sink.
Daddy, come my baby
Hindi
want
ganyan kapag gumagawa ng sa Pilipinas. Ganito.
Daddy.
Ganito sa
My
kalye.
baby will help. Daddy.
Di ba ganito yan? Didiinan yung maraming ice. Oh. Daddy, hindi pa ako naghugas ng kamay. Joke lang. Hindi ka naglagay ng ube? Yung ube ba sa top?
Oh.
Di ba ang ube lagay ng lagay?
Okay.
Sa loob ba yung ube? Ah,
Yeah.
oo. Leche flan sa ibabaw tsaka ice cream.
It's okay.
O, ayan.
Lagyan mo na yung
Siksik
ube.
na.
Lagyan
Ha?
yung ube sa ibabaw.
Okay. May gagawin ako sa lettuce.
Lagyan ko na itong ube.
Ha?
Lagyan ko na ito.
Yeah, sa ibabaw.
Ibang spoon.
Yeah, yung spoon na nga, leche flan.
Sakto. Ito pa. Tama na. Yan na.
Enough with the ice. Aling sa ice yung ano. Okay. Daddy, you forgot to put sugar too.
Oo nga. no.
It's okay. You can add everything later. Ay! Ayan. Ah. Pwede na? And then the ice cream. Give Daddy the scoop of the ice cream.
Okay.
Lambot na.
Put the ice cream.
Yeah.
I need to crush some more ice. For me, Uncle, Grandma, and the baby.
Baby want to
Okay.
help.
Lagyan ko muna sa freezer.
Daddy, come my baby want to help.
Okay. Okay, later. Later.
Oh my gosh.
So maybe we want to put some ice.
Sure, honey. Did you wash your hand? Kakain kami nila Uncle Chris ng dirty hand. Good? Siyempre, ice cream pala yung kinakain mo eh. So, nasa room na kami ngayon. Natapos din ang aming, Father's Day celebration.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, very.
Okay, so magpapaalam na po kami para may lakas po kami ulit para sa mga activities tomorrow kasi may trabaho ang aking mahal. And yeah, may trabaho siya bukas. And I'm planning din na dalhin sa check-up niya yung isang anak natin, kanyang x-ray kung may oras bukas na
Yeah,
na available doon sa hospital. So maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo and sana po na-enjoy ninyo. And sa mga susunod na recipes po natin, sobrang maa-amaze kayo. Ang dami-dami po namin bagong recipe na i-share sa inyo. What do you wanna say, honey?
Yeah, thank you, baby. Great Father's Day. Thank you for the halo halo. It was
Halo
yummy
halo.
and amazing. And thank you for the love. So I got a letter, card from my daughters. Very nice, very artistic.
Open it. Show it to them. Yeah.
Really
Actually,
nice.
mahilig talaga sa art, lalo yung panganay.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Mm.
Gumawa siya ng
There you go.
card. She's so sweet.
Yeah.
Ano
Very
nakalagay sa likod?
nice. This letter is from your 2 daughters. We love you.
Wala bang mo?
Ano nakalagay?
Yeah, you
Very much. Akala ko muwa yung dulo.
Sa atin lang yata yun, yung panahon lang natin yun. Okay guys, thank you so much. At sana huwag kayong magsasawang mag-like, share, and subscribe po sa aming channel at sa mga videos po na pinapost namin daily. Take care guys.